Guys, I'm in the oven to share. I bought this Sunrich Teflon oven liners from Amazon. They're non-stick, reusable, extra large size, extra thick. It's a 3-pack, and I have 2 of them in the bottom of my oven. I used 2 because they weren't quite long enough to reach to the back, so that's why I have one spread it to the back and up to the front so it could reach. I'm gonna turn this box over. You can see some of the instructions on here. Instructions, and over here it tells you a little bit more. So I got it from Amazon, and yeah, I need to clean this oven, but it's okay. The whole point of me getting these, you see me moving them around, is so that I don't have to worry about my oven getting so jacked up as far as food dropping on the bottom of the oven and burning, and I have to scrub really hard to clean it. I wish I had something for the sides, but anyway, I'm just showing you. I am using my Sunrich Teflon oven liners from Amazon, and like I said, I got 2 of them in here. They really work. Like I said, they're washable, non-stick, reusable, and my oven is a 30-inch wide. So yeah, I know it looks kind of crazy because it's black in here. I got the little light in here, but I'm just moving the paper around so you guys can actually see. I am in the oven. And you can see it's an electric oven because you see my coil on top sitting. It's above the liners. So yeah, they really work. I love them. And I just noticed since I had them in here, I haven't been spilling a lot. Isn't that something? If I didn't have these in here, I believe I would have spilled so much on the floor of this oven. Well, anyway, thank you guys for watching. I just wanted to share this product that I got from Amazon. Alrighty,